A very good morning to all of you children. I hope you all are well and please take care of yourself. Don't step out from your home. Wash your hand frequently. Use sanitizer. Use mask whenever you in need. Okay, so this is Seema. Today I am going to make this video for you, and in this video I am going to explain the chapter Plant Around Us. Okay, and today I'll solve all the exercise question in this. So let's start. So here, first in this chapter, what you will come to know. Oh, sorry. Do you know plants are a living thing? For this, you should know what is a living thing. Why should plant? Why plant? It is uh, a living thing. So because they fulfill all the characteristics of living thing like growth. Okay, growth. So through photosynthesis and by absorbing nutrients, mineral and water through their roots. Through their root, it is root, whatever it is inside the soil, that is called a root. Okay, and the process by which trees make their food by on in the presence of sunlight, that is called photosynthesis. So plants can grow. Okay, it can reproduce uh, with the help of seed. Hmm, and make new trees. Excretion also, how it is, so trees excrete waste in the form of oxygen. Hmm. So because they can grow from seed and using water and nutrients from the soil, and they eat food in the form of glucose, starch, and they absorb minerals, nutrients, and water. So these are considered as living organisms because they meet the criteria for living things. So now you understood why it is called living thing. Why planet is called living thing. I think now you understood. Now next, there are many kinds of plant. Yes, there are many kinds of plant. Some are big and some are small. The big plant, it is called trees, and the small plant, it is categorized in herbs, creeper, climber. So later I will explain this all kinds of plant, not parts of plant, kinds of plant. Okay, now the next is plants have leaves and flower. What is leaves? This is the plural form of leaf. This is the plural form of leaf. To make it plural, this leaf, to make it plural, what you should do, remove F and add VES. When you will remove F, then it will become LEA, and you will add this VES, then this become LEAVES. So leaf, it is for one, and this leaf, it is for two or more than two. We use plural form. Okay, so that is leaves. So plants have leaves and flower. Here you can see leaves. See, this is leaves. See, this is leaves. And where it is flower, see, you can see this pink one, lotus flower, it is in the water. So this is plants have leaves and flower. Now the next, what you will learn in this chapter, types of plant. Now I will explain here the types of plant. Now come to the chapter. See, plants are of many kinds. Okay, so the plants that are big, it is called trees. Okay, trees are big and tall. Tall plants are called trees. Okay, they have very thick they have very thick and woody stem. Okay, and this woody stem called trunk. This woody stem called trunk. Okay, so this is called trees. Okay, and the lifespan of the trees are very large, means it lives for many years. And if some example I have to give, then mango, neem, um, mango, neem, pine, coconut. Coconut trees. It is branchless trees. Coconut trees. It is branchless trees. Okay. Now the next it is climber. Okay. Now the next it is one more point I want to explain here about spinach. See here, the mango plant, it is tree because it is obviously big in size and very strong it is. And some plants are small. Most grasses are small plants. Have you seen a spinach plant? It is a small plant. So spinach, it is a superfood. Spinach, it is a superfood. Why it is called superfood? Because it is loaded tons of nutrients. Because it is loaded with tons of nutrients, and it provides us protein, iron, vitamins, and minerals. So this all nutrients is present in the spinach, so that's why it is called superfood, because it is loaded with tons of nutrients. So here I have explained spinach. Now the next, see here you can see big plant, it is tree. Small plant, it is spinach. Okay, so plant grows. So did you know one thing? The tallest growing tree in the world, it is redwood. Okay, redwood. So now the next is some plants grow along the ground. Such plants are called creepers. Creepers, as the name suggests, the plants that creep on the ground. The plants that creep on the ground. Okay, name it is creepers. Means the plant which creep on the ground, that is called creeper. And they have very long. They have very long, thin stem. They have very long, thin stems that can neither stand nor support all its weight. All its weight. See, so some example I am giving here. Watermelon, pumpkin. Okay, watermelon, pumpkin. These all are the examples of creepers, and it is not it is not capable to stand straight, or it can't support its weight. So that's why it is called creeper. Creep on the ground. Which watermelon is a creeper. Watermelon is a creeper, and the plant which grows along the ground, it is called creeper. The next is climber. What is climber? Hmm? Some plants are called climber. They climb on nearby objects. They climb on walls, and the other plants, the grape plant, it is climber. Okay, so climber have also a very thin, long, and weak stem. Thin, long, and weak stem. Okay, which can't stand upright, but they can use external support. Here you can see they can use the external support. Nearby object they can use to climb, to grow vertically and carry their weight. So some example I am giving here: pea plant, money plant, money plant, jasmine, cucumber. Okay, cucumber, bottle gourd. These all are the example of climbers. Okay, so you I think can compare the difference between trees, creepers, climbers. Trees which are very big in size, they can live for many years. They have a strong thick woody stem called trunk, that is called trees. uh, Creepers, as the name, creep on the ground. They have very weak, long, thin stem. They can neither stand nor support all its weight. At least climber it support to grow vertically and carry. Okay, they can use external support to grow vertically and carry their weight, but this creeper can't stand straight and nor and can't support its weight. So this is the difference between creepers and climbers. Now the next oh, now the next it is plants grow anywhere. Yes, plants can grow anywhere. Okay, they grow on land, they grow on they grow in the ocean. uh, Here, due to this only the balance between the balance of oxygen in water due to this ocean plants is there. In lakes, the water animal, how they breathe with the help of this mm, oxygen. Rivers, mountain, mountain tops, and in the desert also. In the desert plant have a special adaptation to survive long periods without water. Okay, desert plants, and it have special adaptation, you can say, special adaptation, hmm, to survive uh, long periods without water, because it's a small surface area to it is having small surface area to reduce water loss. Okay, it is having small surface area to reduce water loss. So now just let me read this. Many kinds of plants grow on land. They grow in the garden, along the road, in the field, on the hills, in the forest. Some plants grow in the dry desert also because they have special adaptation to grow there. Some plants grow only in water. The lotus plant grow in the pond and the lake. Okay, and water lily also grow in water. So, so hey, here you can see plants growing in desert and plants growing in water, and plants need air, water, sunlight, food to live. From where it get air, from atmosphere. From where it get water, from root. Whatever you water in the plant or trees, this from root. They get water, sunlight from the sun, and food because they are autotrophs and they are able to make their own food by their own with the help of chlorophyll, the green pigment present in the leaves in the tree. With the help of this chlorophyll present in the leaf, they are able to make their own food. Okay, so this is your chapter. Now here you can see some keywords that you have to learn about trees. A big plant with large woody stem. Creeper, a plant that grows along the ground because name it is creeper, so creep on the ground. Climber, a plant that climbs on nearby object. Okay, that you have to learn. Now the next, here it is. Yeah, wait, let me zoom it. Yeah, now it is visible. Some are big plant, it is called tree. Big plant is called tree. Some are small. Some plants live in water. Some plants live on land. Okay, this is the picture. So and one more thing, plant is plants are living thing, and they need water, food, air, and light to survive. Okay, and why it is a living thing? Why it is living thing? Because they grow from seed using water and nutrients from the soil. They eat food. They excrete what they excrete as waste. oxygen. They inhale carbon dioxide in the process of photosynthesis and exhale O2 that we use, and due to this the balance is there between oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. They absorb minerals, nutrients and water, so that's why trees are considered as living organism. Okay, so trees is trees are living organisms. Okay, now see your exercise. Let me complete your exercise now. Here you can see the question what it is asking. Please pay attention. The correct word to fill the blanks. A mango plant is a, because it is big in size and very strong. It is, that's why it is tree, not a plant. Okay, sorry, not a creeper. It is wrong. Creeper, it is incorrect. You have to just tick. So only tick in this box. Dash grow along the ground. Yeah, creeper along the ground. The name it is creeper. Okay, a tree is a small or big, obviously big plant because tree it is a big plant. Now the next question is tick if it is correct, true statement and cross for the false ones. So see the first line. Some plants grow on land. Obviously plants can grow anywhere, everywhere. So plants do not need light. Obviously they need light for the process of photosynthesis, otherwise they are not able to make their own food. uh, uh, Next, plants need water. Obviously they need water, that's why we water the plants twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. So plants need water as we need water. hmm. Plants do not need food. Wrong, it is. Obviously they need food because plants are living thing. They also need food for the growth. Okay, now the next question is, hmm, write yes or no to answer the following question. Do plants grow only on the land? Absolutely wrong. No, plants grow everywhere. They can grow on land, ocean, lakes, rivers, mountain tops, and deserts, everywhere. So this is wrong. Do plants grow in water? Obviously, yes. Like lettuce, jasmine, sorry, lily. So, are all plants big like trees? No, all are not trees. Some are creepers, herbs, climber also. So all plants are not like trees. Do plants need air and sunlight? Yes, they need. As we need, plant also need to survive. Write a complete sentence to answer each question. Okay, the question is name a plant that grows in water. Oh, I like lotus, so here I'm writing the lotus plant. The lotus plant grows. The lotus plant grows in water. Let me write one more time. The lotus plant grows in water. The next question is what do plants need to live? So plants need, what things plants need? Plants need air, water, sunlight to make food, and sunlight and food to live. Food to live. Okay, now I think you understand these all questions. Okay, now here it is higher order thinking skill. Let me do this also. Yes, 1 minute it will take. To grow a plant in a pot, I must fill it with obviously soil. Mostly plants we use soil to fill it. Okay, to keep the plants alive, I must water it regularly. I must keep the plant in a place where it gets fresh air and sunlight. Otherwise, the photosynthesis process can't take place. The fourth question is a plant is the first paragraph I make you understand the plant is living thing. A plant needs light, soil, water, and two things rest it is air and food. So here you can write air, here you can write food. So a plant needs light, soil, water, air, and food to live. So now I'm going to uh, over this. So please watch this video, and in the next class again I will explain the same things. Okay, one more time I will explain your exercise in the next video, so watch it carefully because some points more I have to discuss here. Value based question, project zone, and this fill in the blanks one more time I will explain in the next video. So take care of yourself. Bye bye, good night, and keep on learning.